order of reciting Krias Shema. In general, Krias Shema should be recited first, and then HaMitah. However, if one is so tired that she suspects that she might fall asleep before finishing Krias Shema with any additional prayers, the HaMitah should be recited first. It is preferable to recite Krias Shema while standing or sitting, but not while laying down. So before we continue, so in our Siddurim is actually, that's how it's structured. That's exactly. So we say HaMitah first, and they say Shema. Then it's the next paragraph is Shema. Okay, so because it's very important to forgive everybody, to because and one of the reasons is that people, not every person wake up from their sleep. Hopefully we're going to wake up and we have opportunity to thank Hashem, but it's not given. You understand? So if we forgive everybody, if something, God forbid, happens in a sleep and person is not going to wake up, guess what? He's in good stance with other people. Continue. So first we say HaMitah, and then we say Krias Shema. Krias Shema and HaMitah. I said that. Oh, okay. So we said standing or sitting. So it's since but not lying down. So I would say that since it's right before the bed, so do it while you're sitting on your bed. While you're standing, why would you stand? Right. So you're ready to sleep. Okay. But if for whatever reason you is still standing, as I say, there is no problem. But not lying down. That's too much. Krias Shema and HaMitah are said at night and not by day. So right, so we don't say if you take a nap during the day, we don't say it. Regardless whether one is in bed or one is bed or wearing pajamas. So some people, like say, for example, they work night shifts and they would come like after the sunrise, let's say. So of course, forget about sun. After dawn or around dawn, so they didn't say it. Okay. Likewise, even though they're going to sleep now for 6 hours, 7 hours. Likewise, even if one who wakes is awake all night and now sleeping for an extended time during the day, she does not recite Shema and HaMitah. So she's working, she was cooking, she's doing whatever she had to do. So she was not sleeping the whole night. Let's say it's after Shabbos, muktzeh Shabbos, so she did not sleep. She going to sleep on Sunday. I mean, no more HaMitah. That's it. Lost opportunities, but again, not obligatory. But my personal recommendation: say all of the 3 paragraphs. Very, very important.